Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, Rifki here. In this video, we are going to discuss about router in React.js. So, React Router is a standard library for routing in React. It enables the navigations among views of various components in a React applications, allows you to change the browser URL, and keeps the UI it's in sync with the URL. So whenever you navigate to to navigate to another components, the website will not refresh. It will just not refresh. It just for example like this. This not refresh. It will just the endpoint. It will brings you to the specific endpoints. Okay, so before that, you need to install uh, React router DOM version 6. Okay, so the installation is simple. Just do uh, npm install React router DOM at 6 in your React project. And then after installing the React router DOM, add its components into your React application. Okay, for example, so firstly we need to call the components from the React router that provided by React router DOM. So we need browser router, routes, navigate, and outlet. Okay, I'll explain one by one. So firstly, here I will not explain the components one by one. You can see it on its documentation right here. Here I will just explain you how single page application works. Okay, so here we have our main public route. Public route is the catalog, which is our home page, and then outroutes means that uh, uh, what is it? Which this mean if you are already authenticated, you cannot go to this page. And then this is the protected route, uh, which is the dashboard, which means if you're not if you haven't logged in or registered, uh, or you or haven't been authenticated, you cannot access this page. Okay, so uh, this outroute is if you are already authenticated, you cannot access this, and protect route is if you are already authenticated, you can access this. If not, you can. Okay, so these things will navigate each other. Okay, so this is the element now out here. Uh, this means if the authenticated is success, you got the access token. Uh, The website will brings you to the home page, which is the main endpoint here. If failed, it will just upload it, which means it will not brings you to anywhere. Uh, yeah, and don't forget to import all the components that you want to navigate. So use the catalog. We have login, register, dashboard, and not found page. Oh yeah, a not found page. If you type random endpoint, it will brings you to the not found page. Uh, right, but I will show you how to make it in the next video. Alright, I think that's all for this this video. See you next in our next video. Bye. See you soon.